Carbon buildup in the intake tract of your customer's GDI, or gasoline direct injection engine, can cause a variety of issues. But you can help your customer avoid most of them, and I'll show you how in today's Mighty Minute. Gasoline direct injection, or GDI for short, places the fuel injector directly in the combustion chamber. And while this design is more efficient than conventional port injection designs, they are also more prone to carbon buildup on the back of the intake valves and valve stems. Why? Because there's no longer any fuel to help keep the intake valves clean. Now, this carbon buildup can make it hard for the engine to breathe and can result in symptoms from loss of fuel economy to misfire, spark knock, and loss of power. The key to helping your customers avoid these issues is to become proactive and perform intake system cleaning as preventative maintenance, rather than wait for the buildup to become excessive. Today, I'm going to use Mighty's VS7 GDI kit to service this 2018 Hyundai Accent. The cleaning agent is delivered at a very cold temperature, exiting the can as a vaporous spray at minus 42 degrees Fahrenheit. When the cold spray hits the hot air in the intake, it fogs. And because the cleaner enters the engine as a fog, rather than liquid droplets like other cleaning products, it eliminates the possibility of hydrostatic lock should the engine stall during service. To begin the service, locate the positive vacuum source you intend to use. Ideally, it should be 3/8 inch in diameter and as centrally located in the intake as possible. Start the engine and allow it to idle. While the engine warms up, prepare the cleaner by attaching the applicator hose and cap to the can by snapping it to the top, making sure that a tight seal is achieved. Attach the cleaner line to the selected port and make sure all the connections have a tight seal. With the engine idling, slowly begin to depress the button on top of the can until you've opened the can fully. Once you've fully opened the button, press it all the way down to lock it in place. A vehicle that stumbles or stalls while you're performing the service is an indication that there's an excessive carbon buildup present, and it may be necessary to perform the service more than once to correct it. Increase the engine RPM up until it's stable, but in no case exceed 2,000 RPM. When the cleaning agent is depleted, snap the throttle 6 to 8 times and shut off the engine. Remove the cleaner line and reinstall any lines or hoses that you removed for access. To complete the service for your customer, don't forget to include Mighty's VS7 oil system cleaner and VS7 Centramax fuel system cleaner, being sure to follow the usage instructions included with each product. Be sure to perform a final test drive before you return the car to your customer. By performing this important piece of maintenance, you're going to help your customer save money and help them keep their car performing the way it should. That's today's Mighty Minute. Thanks for watching.